Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by charging the Pro controller for at least 3 hours before syncing. A full charge prevents interruptions during connection and updates. Next, power on your Nintendo Switch and confirm you are at the home menu screen. This ensures the console is ready to register new controllers. Locate the small sync button on the top edge near the USB port. Press and hold that small sync button for 3 seconds until the LED begins to blink slowly. On the Switch Home menu, select Controllers, then choose Change Grip/Order. The console will display a prompt to pair new controllers and await input. While the console waits, press the blinking Pro controller LED or press the button. The controller LEDs will blink rapidly during the pairing handshake and then slow. Pairing completes when the controller LEDs stop blinking and stay lit, confirming a stable wireless connection to the console. If wireless pairing fails, try connecting via USB to the Switch dock for direct pairing. Plug the Pro controller into the dock using a USB-C cable and press any button to register it. To reset the controller wireless settings, press and hold the sync button for 6 seconds and then retry pairing. Also ensure your Switch system software is up to date to improve compatibility and stability. If problems persist, try another USB cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.